Alrighty, so had myself a 5-day vacation and put in some wire fence. My first time ever installing wire fence, so I know there are some parts that suck. Basically, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but you should be able to see a string of empty poles down there. That's how big the yard was. Decided to expand it a bit. That telephone pole there, with permission of the power company, cut that down, leaving the post in place, and then use the 2 remaining pieces of that for my gate post. I'll walk around here. Get this in focus here. There we go. This is one of the more complicated sections because I have a very steep incline that goes up very quickly. For this part here, what we had to do was basically cut a 20-foot piece of fence off and kind of put it at an angle and splice the 2 together. Up close it looks like crap, from a distance it looks alright. Also, I kind of gave up on those little clip things. I'm sure I've got one over here, yep. These things here are a pain in the ass. So I went to using wire tie type clips that you can get at Lowe's. It was like 15 bucks for 100 or something like that. And here's my corner. Again, I had to cut it there in order to be able to get that downhill angle. Nothing impressive, just showing what I did this weekend. And certainly nothing is in the way of advice, because I'm sure you can find about 1,000 things wrong with this. Alright, and we got ourselves a gate. And kind of see the totality of the yard here. Still need to get up those fence posts, still need to finish taking down the remainder of that fence, getting rid of that. Over measured a bit because these gates apparently they're shorter than 12 foot, they're 12-foot gates, so had to nail or lag bolt in a 4x4 post in order to make up the difference so the dogs can't get out. This isn't going to be any type of heavy duty fencing here, it's basically just keep the dogs in the yard. Pretty easy to install, 1 hinge up, 1 hinge down. And for this part here, we decided to take the 100-foot roll and just roll it out, and that was actually a whole lot easier than doing it laying on the ground and flipping it up. Hurt the shit out of my foot because I was lifting it up on my foot and dragging it back, but again, went to using twist ties instead of the clips, made things go a whole lot quicker. Over here I haven't done the bottoms yet, I just went around and did all the tops. And as with all my videos, yes, this one will be shit too, but hey. I do them for me, not for you, to be honest with you. And, of course, I took all my measurements here prior to stretching it out, knowing how far I had to go for my runs. Here, I didn't want to use just a T-post for my corner, so I had a piece of old fence rail, cemented that into the ground, have a very solid corner. And again, just walking the fence line. And again, using the twist ties. Yes, I know this post is backwards, I screwed up, I'm sorry. And at the end here, again, just twist tying it on to the fence. Still got some neatening up to do. But this pretty much doubles the size of the yard. See, you got the burn pit in action there. Swimming pools are great burn pits. Horrible for swimming in. And just roaming on back here. And I'm probably going to post this one uncut because I got more stuff to do. Let me get up on the driveway here. So all in all, not too bad. Most of the work was just getting this thing all cleared out because it was completely overgrown and shit. But now they start getting it more cleared out so the puppies will actually walk on it. And that's about all I got for you. Hit like, downvote. Tell me comments, tell me where I screwed up. I know I screwed up. One other tip that I got from another YouTuber. Let me get over here. On your post hole thumper, measure the inside, then transfer that measurement to the outside and put a little magic marker line on there, and that will tell you how deep you are. Basically, that line to chin high was about right for me. That's about all the advice I got, and y'all have a good one.